Now this will blow you away how easy it is to make your resume. We'll go up to Design Spotlight up the top, touch on that and go down to Resume Maker in the first column, and it will bring you straight up to the free online resume builder, and you click on there to start it. Nothing could be easier. Back in the day of doing a resume, we didn't have any of this, so pretty incredible how far we've come. Now up the top you'll have your resume, and then you can have simple resumes, professional resume, whatever. There's just so many. Again, there's just lists and lists to choose from, and now we'll choose this one, and I'll show you how easy these things are. You just now edit everything. Of course, be professional, put in your own true details. So up here you double click, and we'll put in whatever we want. Shelley blah, that'll do. You can one click, go up, get rid of her picture, and go find your own picture to put in. And I'm only doing a mock-up today, so I'll probably use this picture. That'll do. You get the idea. And then when you go down, you'll have your contact details. You just double click to change your phone number. Blah 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 blah. You get what I mean. Email address, home address. Then you'll go down, you'll write in, you can take out whatever's already in there. We'll take out that and write your own credentials, your own expertise in that area. It's all preset for you. You can't have it any easier than that, seriously. No, I'm very happy with how easy they are. But it's just go in, exact template, click on, put your details. It's that simple. Please subscribe. I want to show you a lot more tutorials on things with Canva Pro coming up, and it will keep you posted when I put up new content. So thanks for watching.